Engage students with modern outdoor digital signage for schools. In today's digital age, traditional methods of communication no longer suffice. That's where outdoor digital signage comes into play. Outdoor digital signage offers several advantages over traditional signage. First of all, it is eye-catching and easily captures the attention of passers-by. Whether it's a school zone sign or a school bus stop sign, digital signage stands out and ensures important messages are noticed. And the outdoor digital signage is durable and weather-resistant, making it ideal for the unpredictable outdoor environment. The content displayed on these screens can be easily updated and customized to suit the needs of the school. From displaying emergency alerts to showcasing student achievements, outdoor digital signage serves as a powerful communication tool. The benefits of outdoor digital signage for schools. Firstly, it improves communication between the school and its stakeholders. Important messages can be displayed in real time, ensuring that students, staff, and parents are always informed about school activities and events. This not only enhances transparency but also fosters a sense of community within the school. Secondly, outdoor digital signage enhances student engagement. With visually appealing displays and interactive content, students are more likely to pay attention and retain information. This not only boosts student morale but also encourages them to actively participate in school activities. Furthermore, outdoor digital signage helps improve safety in school zones. School zone signs and school bus stop signs can be equipped with digital displays to provide real-time updates on traffic conditions and bus schedules. This ensures that students and parents are aware of any changes or delays, promoting a safe and efficient transportation system. One of the key advantages of outdoor digital signage is its ability to engage students in a way that traditional signage cannot. Digital displays are visually captivating and can incorporate multimedia elements such as videos and animations. This makes learning more interactive and enjoyable for students. For example, an outdoor digital signage display can be used to showcase educational videos or display interesting facts related to a particular subject. Additionally, interactive elements such as quizzes or polls can be incorporated into the signage, allowing students to actively participate and test their knowledge. Moreover, outdoor digital signage can be used to promote student achievements and showcase their work. By displaying student artwork, projects, or sports achievements on digital screens, schools can celebrate their students' accomplishments and boost their self-esteem. This recognition serves as a motivation for students to excel in their academic and extracurricular endeavors. Essential types of outdoor digital signage for schools: school zone signs and school bus stop signs. These signs play a crucial role in ensuring the safety of students and promoting efficient transportation. School zone signs equipped with digital displays provide real-time updates on speed limits, traffic conditions, and other important information. This helps drivers navigate school zones safely and reduces the risk of accidents. Additionally, these signs can be programmed to display specific messages during drop-off and pickup times, reminding parents and students to adhere to safety protocols. Similarly, school bus stop signs equipped with digital displays enhance the efficiency of the transportation system. Real-time updates on bus schedules, delays, and route changes can be displayed, ensuring that students and parents are always informed. Outdoor digital signage displays play a crucial role in school communication. They serve as a dynamic and effective medium for conveying important messages and engaging with students, staff, and parents. These displays can be strategically placed in high-traffic areas, such as entrances, hallways, or outdoor gathering spaces. By doing so, schools can ensure that their messages reach a wide audience and are easily noticed. This ensures that the displayed content is always up-to-date and relevant. Whether it's a last-minute change in the schedule or an emergency alert, digital signage displays provide a reliable and efficient means of communication. Schools can use user-friendly software to manage and schedule the displayed content, making it a hassle-free communication tool. Whether it's a temporary event or a long-term communication strategy, portable outdoor digital signage offers schools the flexibility they need. Outdoor digital signage is not limited to schools, but can also be beneficial for churches. Outdoor digital signage for churches can be used to display service times, upcoming events, and inspirational messages. This ensures that members of the congregation are well informed and encourages them to actively participate in the church community. Additionally, outdoor digital signage can be used to showcase community outreach programs and volunteer opportunities. By displaying information about charitable initiatives or upcoming events, churches can encourage their members to get involved and make a positive impact in the community. This provides a source of inspiration and reflection for individuals passing by the church. It serves as a reminder of the church's values and beliefs, fostering a sense of spirituality and connection. The future of outdoor digital signage lies in multi-screen displays. Instead of relying on a single screen, multi-screen displays consist of multiple screens arranged in a grid or a unique configuration. This allows schools to display larger and more dynamic content, such as panoramic images or interactive videos. Multi-screen outdoor digital signage also enables schools to create interactive experiences using touchscreen technology. Students can actively engage with the content by interacting with the screens, providing a hands-on learning experience. The future of outdoor digital signage is undoubtedly exciting, with multi-screen displays paving the way for innovative and immersive communication experiences. While LED displays are commonly used for outdoor digital signage, outdoor LCD digital signage also offers several advantages. LCD displays have a higher contrast ratio, making them easier to read in direct sunlight compared to LED displays. This ensures that the displayed content remains visible and legible regardless of the outdoor lighting conditions. Another advantage of outdoor LCD digital signage is its energy efficiency. LCD technology consumes less power compared to LED technology, resulting in lower energy costs for schools. This makes outdoor LCD digital signage a cost-effective solution in the long run. Additionally, outdoor LCD digital signage offers a wider viewing angle. This means that the displayed content can be easily viewed from different perspectives, ensuring that everyone can see the messages being conveyed. This is particularly beneficial in outdoor spaces where people may be moving or standing at various angles. Making the best use of outdoor digital signage kiosk. These kiosks can be strategically positioned in high-traffic areas, ensuring maximum visibility and reach. Whether it's near the entrance of the school or in a bustling courtyard, outdoor digital signage kiosks can effectively capture the attention of students, staff, and parents. Outdoor digital signage kiosks can be equipped with additional features to enhance the user experience. For instance, interactive touchscreens can be incorporated into the kiosks, allowing users to navigate through the displayed content or access additional information. This level of interactivity encourages user engagement and enables schools to provide a more comprehensive communication experience. Outdoor digital signage kiosks can be designed to withstand various weather conditions. They are built using durable materials that can withstand rain, heat, and other outdoor elements. This ensures that the signage remains functional and effective regardless of the weather. Digital signage outdoor screens are specifically designed to withstand the challenges of the outdoor environment. One of the key features of digital signage outdoor screens is their brightness level. These screens are designed to produce high brightness levels, making them easily visible even in direct sunlight. This ensures that the displayed content remains clear and legible, regardless of the outdoor lighting conditions. Furthermore, digital signage outdoor screens are built to be durable and vandal-resistant. They are constructed using robust materials that can withstand impact and tampering. This ensures that the screens remain intact and functional, even in high-traffic areas or public spaces. The impact of outdoor digital signage on student engagement. By incorporating dynamic and interactive content, schools can capture the attention of students and create a more engaging learning environment. Digital displays are visually captivating and attract the attention of students. Whether it's displaying colorful images, videos, or animations, digital signage creates an immersive and stimulating visual experience. Moreover, outdoor digital signage allows for interactive content. Students can actively engage with the displayed content through touchscreens or interactive elements. This promotes a hands-on learning experience and encourages students to explore and interact with the information being presented. Furthermore, outdoor digital signage provides opportunities for personalized learning. Content can be tailored to individual students or specific groups, allowing for targeted and customized learning experiences. This ensures that students receive the information that is most relevant to them and promotes a deeper understanding of the subject matter. In conclusion, outdoor digital signage is a powerful tool that can revolutionize communication in schools. From enhancing safety to boosting student engagement, outdoor digital signage offers numerous benefits. By adopting this innovative technology, schools can upgrade their communication systems and create a more engaging and informed learning environment.